Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming along here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Permatasari. The student ID number is 212151119 from class 2021D. Mathematics Education. I hope my presentation is not going to take too long and that you will find it interesting. The purpose of today's presentation is to discuss about lifelong education. 1. Definition lifelong education. Definition: lifelong education is a concept, an idea. The main idea is the concept is that education does not only last as long as a person study in a formal educational institution. That a person can still get an education is if he wants after he has complete formal education. It is also emphasized in this concept that education in the true sense of the word is something that continues throughout one's life. The human journey throughout life contains development and change that include three components, namely A. Individual development stage, toddler, childhood, school years, adolescence, and adulthood. B. Common and unique social rules in life which vary in each environment. And C. Aspect of personality development, physical, mental, social, and emotional. Now, let's look at about the goal of full and lifelong human education. Number 2, the goal for full and lifelong human education are as follows. A. Development the foundational of the human personality in accordance with its nature and essence, namely an aspect of this the function of optimally as possible. B. Bearing in mind that the process of growth and development of the human personality is live and dynamic. It is natural that education lasts as long as human's life. Number 3, the concept of lifelong education. There are 4 key concepts of lifelong education, namely 1. The concept of lifelong education itself. As a concept, lifelong education is defined as a formal goal or idea for organizing and structuring educational experience. 2. The concept of lifelong learning. Lifelong education means that the learner learns because the response to the underlying desire to learn and the nature of education provides the condition that aid learning. 3. Lifelong learner concept. Lifelong learners are people who are aware of themselves as lifelong learners, see new learning as a logical way to solve problems and is highly motivated to learn at all age level and expect lifelong challenge and change of providing opportunity for new learning. 4. Curriculum that support lifelong education. The curriculum is this connection designate on the basis of the principle of lifelong education has actually produced lifelong learners who sequentially carry out lifelong learning. Now, let's look at the picture. Number 4, the nature of lifelong education. Learning is the duty of all humans, young and old, big and small, rich and poor, all have this task. We learn to know whenever it is this world, for individual or universal progress. Learn to give, learn to rest, learn to be patient, learn to appreciate, learn to respect, and learn to all things. Education does not only take place in school. Education will begin as soon as the skill is born and will continue until man's days, as long as he is able to resist influence Then fourth, the educational process will take place in the family, school, and community. Next time for discussion. If anyone have any question, you can ask me. Okay, for the second question from Seftiawati Nuriyatul Nikmah, Seftia is welcome to submit your question.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Satyawati Nuryatul Student ID number is 21215158. Permission to ask, what is the teacher's role in lifelong education?
Okay, thank you, Seftia, for the question. Permission to answer. Teacher carry out teaching well and continue to invite to create a good and effective learning atmosphere. Students carry out learning actively and seriously. Parents support their children and facilitate their children's interests and talent. Like that, Seftia, how is the answer enough?
Yes, thank you, Ria.
Okay, for the final question from Anissa Komala Rosani, Anissa is welcome to submit your question.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Komarosani. Number ID is Sadar 212151122. Permission to ask, how can the content of lifelong education be accepted?
Okay, thank you Anisha for the question. Permission to answer. Meaning, acknowledge from the schedule to date the principle of lifelong education formulas a principle that the educational process is a continuous process which start from the time a person is born until he dies. Like that, Anisha, how is the answer enough?
Yes, thank you, Dea.
Thank you for your attention. Hopefully, the material I convey can be useful and apology if there are error in the delivery or in reading. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.